student. Get success, my child. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You will get success. That is my promise. If you will study hard and do all my videos. Okay, I am not thinking about my comments and other things. I am giving you more and valuable information. Learn it systematically, and definitely you will find that the questions are there in the IIT and NEET exam as well as board exam. Here, for example, this exam I am giving you. This is asked in IIT and NEET, not in class 11th. Okay, not in class 12th. So this is for IIT purpose, NEET purpose, or any other competitive purpose. NET, CSIR. So many exams are there. Which of the following has 4 pi electron? These 4 structures are given to you. Now here what you have to see, here double bond, pi electrons means double bond should be there. So here 1 double bond, 2 double bond, 1 double bond, 1 pi bond. I will say 1 pi bond is made up of 2 electrons. If there are 2 pi bonds, this is sigma bond and this is pi bond. Okay, this is pi, this is sigma. So if 2 pi bonds are there, it means there are 4 pi electrons. Okay, one bond is made up of 2 pi electrons. Okay, 1 pi bond is made up of 2 pi electrons. So if it is having 2 double bonds, or it is if it is having 1 double bond and a pair of electrons, for example in this case, so A is having, yes, this is correct answer, because A is having 2 pi bonds, and this is B is having 1 pi bond and 1 pair of electrons. See, 1 pair of electrons. So it is also having this 4 pi electrons. This is also having 4 pi electrons because there is positive charge, and but here 2 double bonds are present. So this is also having 4 pi electron, and this no, it is having 6 pi electron. Okay, this is having 6 pi. So this is having 4 pi, 4 pi, 4 pi. So answer ABC is correct. Now correct representation of N2O5. They have given several structure. Peroxide link is out. Here they have given this double bond with O, double bond O, double two lone pair. Here single bond, this lone pair. But here why I have said that it is not, it is wrong, because oxygen is having 6, so it is wrong. Okay, 6. And to 8 to 10, then electrons are can never be around oxygen. So it is also out. This out. And this is why this is out, because here, see here single bond having, oxygen is having only 4 electrons. So it is out. It is not correct. Only this is correct because it is fulfill all the requirement. Oxygen is in the center, double 2 pi electrons, 2 lone pair, yes, 2 lone pair, okay. 1 negative charge carries 6 electron. Oxygen carries 6 electron, 1 negative charge, this is also okay.